Welcome back to tuning into today's video. We're doing the 5-day forecast. Today we're going to have a detailed look at weather for the next 5 days across the British Isles. Before we go on, I just want to talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlaying my weather videos at GazWeatherBits.com. Please play those videos. You'll be supporting GazWeatherBits.com by doing that. So this is the pressure chart for today from the GFS model. Incidentally, these charts coming from weathercentral.tv, which you can find on my links page. But we've also got the charts later on in the video coming from the weatheroutlook.com. Both of those websites can be found on my links page. So this is the chart for today from the GFS model. We've got this deep area of low pressure to the north-east of Scotland. Brought a real gale to northern and eastern parts of Scotland this morning, but it is clearing away. I'm actually building in this very, very weak transient ridge of high pressure in from the west. The allegation, the ice bars indicating that. But the next area of low pressure is waiting in the Atlantic, and that's going to be pushing across the country through tonight. So for the rest of today, we're going to be seeing heavy showers across the northern parts of the country, and severe gales across the northern and eastern Scotland will be moderating, but the ice bars are tightly packed, so it's going to be a windy day wherever you are today, with the strongest of the winds always up to the north. Now, so we've got those showery bits and pieces of rain across northern Scotland and through central parts of Scotland into northern England as well. Quite persistent the rain there. It'll all get lighter through the course of the day if this ridge of high pressure builds in. And further south, we've got pretty good, decent sunny spells actually. It's quite a nice day, really, across much of England and Wales. Temperatures today on the mild side, really, for the middle of winter. In the north, looking at temperatures around 4-5 degrees. In the south, we're up to around 9, 10, 11, around the 50 Fahrenheit mark. So really quite a mild day for the time of year, but it does feel cooler, of course, in the wind. Now, as we move overnight, we're going to find this area of low pressure heading in off the Atlantic, tightly packed ice bars again across England and Wales, so it's going to be turning windy again through tonight, with perhaps gales around some of those western and southwestern coasts. And this area of low pressure is also going to be bringing heavy rain across the country. So after a dry, clear, sort of quiet start to the night, it'll rapidly turn wet and windy across many parts of the country, particularly windy, as say, for England and Wales, but heavy rain really across many places. It'll be a mild night though, frost-free, with temperatures in the north around 3 or 4 degrees, in the south around 6 or 7, so certainly no problems with frost like that. Low pressure zips through very quickly through the course of tomorrow, leaving us all in this run of westerly winds, so perhaps a wet start across some parts of the country. That'll clear away quite quickly, although the rain could hang on across parts of central southern Scotland down into northern England. There could be a bit of winteriness over the higher ground as well, but generally the rain clears away, and then we're all into a run of westerly winds again, with sunshine and showers mainly in the west, very few in the east. Temperatures again on the mild side, really, for the time of year, although perhaps a bit cooler in the north, just 2 or 3 degrees across parts of Scotland, but further south we're looking at temperatures around 7, 8 or 9, a bit down on those of today, but still quite mild, really, for the time of year. Now, as we go into Friday, we've got a bit of a problem with this area of low pressure coming in across the country. How much the models are making of this area of low pressure really is varying on various models through today. So it's a bit uncertain what's happening with this area of low pressure, how far north it's coming, but I think generally we can say overnight Thursday into Friday, we're going to turn it wet across much of England and Wales, with some quite heavy rain moving in, whereas further north we stay more towards showers, clearer spells, with showers as well. Temperatures going a little bit down as well on Thursday night. Could be a frost across Scotland down to -1. Further south probably around 4 or 5 degrees. Now that low pressure comes across England and Wales through the course of Friday probably, but I say there is uncertainty with this, and as it clears away it's going to pull the winds into the north, so it's going to turn colder on Friday, but I think it's going to be a very wet day across parts of England and Wales on Friday. But as I say, how far north that low pressure is getting, very uncertain, and if it gets far enough north, say into North Wales and northern England, there could be some snow for a time on the northern edge, because as I say, we're putting down this cold northerly wind, but that's going to be at elevation. We've got to get that further north, and it may be that the low pressure will track further south, but I expect quite a wet day for England and Wales on Friday, with some heavy and persistent rain. Further north it's clear sunshine and showers, and really those showers could turn wintry almost anywhere across Scotland. Now, temperatures on Friday are going to be a few degrees down, so in the south we're looking at temperatures of just 4 or 5 across much of the Midlands, Wales, East Anglia, maybe still up to 10 degrees on the south coast, but really from the Midlands northwards it can be quite a chilly day, and in Scotland temperatures will probably struggle to get above freezing actually. Now, as we move into Saturday, that low pressure clears away, and then we build this ridge of high pressure in across the country. So the rain will clear overnight Friday and Saturday. So there could be some snow on the northern edge if it gets far enough north, but we're going to have to firm up on that. But it'll all clear away overnight Friday and Saturday. Then Saturday should be a mainly bright and breezy day, with sunny spells. There'll still be showers in the north and west, and later on we'll bring a weather front into western Scotland and Northern Ireland with some longer spells of rain, but the rest of the country having quite a nice day on Saturday with a fairly good sunny spell. But it'll be a lot colder. You'll notice the wind, and temperatures will be struggling to get above freezing again for Scotland, and in the south probably just temperatures of 3, 4 or 5, so it will be a colder day on Saturday. Could be a frost across England and Wales on Saturday night as well, but as we go into Sunday, that high pressure is declining away again. We're bringing back this westerly wind. So really I think we'll probably start off with a frost across England and Wales on Sunday morning, but cloud and outbreaks of rain may be preceded by some sleet or snow over the high ground of Scotland. We'll gradually track southwards. Very light and patchy rain across England and Wales, but it'll just turn the sunshine hazy and cloudy, and then the sun will go. But the thing you'll notice about Sunday is this westerly wind really bringing in milder air, so temperatures will be up again on Sunday compared to Saturday, with temperatures of around 8 degrees in the south and around 5 degrees in the north. And then as we go into Monday, for the end of the forecast period, we end up in this westerly wind, more or less back where we are at the moment actually, with sunshine and showers feeding across the country. Most of the showers in the north and west, very few in the south and the east probably, and most temperatures on the mild side really, 7 to 10 in the south, 4s to 6s, maybe 7 in the north. Finally, having a look at the charts from the Weather Outlook. This is the chart for today. Good sunny spells across many parts of the country, just those areas of rain across parts of Northern Ireland, Northern England, but they'll be getting lighter through the course of the day. Now overnight we're going to bring that area of rain through across the country. It'll clear away quite quickly into Thursday, and then Thursday again, not too bad, with some sunny spells. As we go into Friday, well, there's the rain across England and Wales. It's difficult to say how far north that's coming, but if it gets far enough north, there is the suggestion here that we could get some snow across northern England on that northern edge, but probably not amounting to too much away from elevation. Going into Saturday, and that low pressure will clear away, and then we've got good sunny spells really across many parts of the country. It'll be a much colder day though, with those temperatures a good few degrees down. And then as we go into Sunday, well, we bring the cloud down from the northwest, increase of westerly wind, but the temperatures pick up, and we end up more or less back where we start. Quite mild on Monday, with sunny spells and also some shower particularly in the north and the west. So that's how it's looking. So we're going to have quite a disturbed spell of weather coming up, but always generally quite mild, other than that colder snap Friday into Saturday. Friday could be very wet across England and Wales. We do have to keep an eye on that, but otherwise it's not too bad really. Showers at time, but really not too bad for the middle of winter. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.